Setting up your Blink indoor camera begins with downloading the Blink Home Monitor app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, you'll need to set up the Sync module, which acts as the communication hub for your Blink cameras. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a new device and select Sync module. Plug in the Sync module and wait for the blue and green light pattern. Then connect it to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network by entering your network password in the app. Now add your Blink indoor camera by tapping the plus icon again, selecting Blink wireless camera from the device list, and scanning the QR code on the back of your camera. For the Blink indoor camera, insert the included AA lithium batteries using the provided tool. The Blink Mini model connects directly to power using the USB cable and adapter. Your Blink camera offers 1080p HD video quality with infrared night vision. As an Amazon-owned company, Blink integrates seamlessly with Alexa devices and offers both local storage through the Sync module and optional cloud storage. First, give your camera a descriptive name in the Blink app. This helps you identify it easily when you have multiple cameras. Next, choose your mounting location carefully. Mount the camera at least 6 feet off the ground and angle it slightly downward for optimal motion detection coverage. After mounting, test your camera using the Live View feature in the Blink app. Check the camera angle and coverage area, then adjust the position if needed. Finally, customize your camera settings in the Blink app. Set up motion detection zones to focus on specific areas and adjust notification preferences to suit your needs. Blink cameras are versatile security solutions. They're commonly used for home monitoring, pet watching, and package delivery surveillance. Security experts rate Blink cameras highly for their affordability and ease of use.